Google has launched personalized advertising within its Gemini-powered AI mode, enabling retailers to present exclusive offers based on users' conversational context. This strategic shift moves Google beyond its traditional search advertising model as AI chatbots reshape online commerce. The announcement comes and intensifies competition from OpenAI and Microsoft, both of which are developing their own e-commerce features also. Google's contextual approach aims to identify optimal moments for promotional offers, potentially creating more targeted advertising opportunities than conventional search-based models. With this background, let's do a deep dive into what has actually happened. Now, Google has announced the introduction of personalized advertising capabilities within its AI-powered shopping features, marking a significant evolution in how the technology giant approaches monetization of its artificial intelligence products. The new functionality will allow the retailers to present exclusive offers to consumers who are actively considering purchases through company's AI mode, which is powered by Gemini's large language model. The feature represents a meaningful departure from Google's established search advertising model, which has long relied on sponsored placements appearing alongside traditional search results. Now, under the new system, retailers will be able to configure specific promotional offers, including discounted pricing, bundled products, and complimentary shipping, which Google's AI will then surface to relevant users based on the contextual signals from their conversations with the chatbot. When a user demonstrates interest in a particular product category or clicks on specific items, the system can trigger corresponding promotional offers. This development comes as Google seeks to leverage its substantial market share in search to distribute its AI capabilities to a broader user base. The company introduced AI mode as an integrated feature within its search pages, positioning Gemini in front of billions of users who interact with Google's core search product. This approach contrasts with the standalone Gemini chatbot, which continues to trail OpenAI's ChatGPT in terms of user adoption and popularity. The timing of Google's announcement reflects an intensifying competition amongst the AI companies to establish viable revenue models for the chatbot products.